This is Seymour Rocks reporting from down under. This is just a quick comparison with sea surface temperatures in the Antarctic and in the ocean compared with the very warm conditions in the Arctic. I also want to do a comparison of sea surface temperatures around Australia and New Zealand, where we have this marine heat wave. So anyway, here we are. So that's just minus 1.8 degrees Celsius. It's very similar temperatures to what we were seeing in the Arctic. So minus 1.5 to positive 2.1 degrees Celsius. It's 35.8 degrees Celsius. And then if we come round to the Ross Sea, there's no temperature there. Minus 1.8, 0.5 degrees Celsius, a bit warmer. Minus 1.2, minus 1.2 degrees Celsius. So those are very, very similar temperatures, sea surface temperatures in Antarctica. They compare amazingly with conditions in the Northern Hemisphere for the Arctic. Now let's just go above. So we were comparing that before, the temperatures of Svalbard with conditions in Cook Strait. So that's 17.6 degrees or 62.8 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is only a couple of degrees warmer than these little areas of warm sea off the coast of Svalbard. So let's just have a look at some of the other temperatures. So if you go down to the south, it's about between 14 and 16 degrees Celsius. If you come over onto the west coast of the South Island, at 17.4 degrees Celsius. You come up to the west coast of the North Island, it's almost 20 degrees Celsius, or 67.2 degrees Fahrenheit. And then if you come to the north of New Zealand, then temperatures reach 21.3 degrees Celsius, or 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and 21.4. Now, if we come to Australia, if we take, say, the Bass Strait between Australia and Tasmania, it's 19.2 degrees. We come further up the Victoria coast, and it's 22.9. We come up sort of somewhere around where Sydney is, and it's a massive 25.9 degrees Celsius. We come up to where Brisbane is, and it's less, 27 slightly more, 27.7 degrees or 81 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is getting pretty warm. And then on the east side, it's in Western Australia, it's 71.3 degrees Celsius, or 21.9, or 71.5 degrees Celsius. So those are the temperatures that we're looking at. And let's just see if we can find, I think this is the sea surface temperature anomaly. So these are the sea surface temperature anomalies: 1.2 degrees Celsius, or 2.2 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.7 degrees in the middle of the Tasman, where a massive 2.5 degrees Celsius or 4.6 degrees Fahrenheit greater than normal, and 2.2 degrees Celsius sort of on the New South Wales coast. And then on the other side, yeah, about 2 degrees warmer than normal. So it's a pretty big marine heat wave, but not quite, I would imagine, what it was last year. So anyway, that's it from me. See more rocks from Down Under.